welcome to the Old McDonald Farm.
Oh, my daddy says that life comes at you fast. We are like blades of grass, become so permanent, time moves with us.
We're on our way to Pumpkin Patch.
You ready to have some fun?
Yeah.
Yep. We're gonna have some friends coming through. But regardless of who comes, we're gonna have a great time. Right?
Look at him, he's crying.
Why are you crying, CJ?
I'm just faking.
Oh, you faked this out.
Really, CJ?
CJ, what are you doing?
CJ's pecking me.
You're pecking your sister, CJ?
Yeah.
Alright.
This was crazy.
Well, we are on our way to the pumpkin patch and we will see you guys
There.
CJ, you up? You have a good nap?
CJ.
I hope we don't get lost at the corn maze.
You hope what?
We don't get lost at the corn maze.
Yeah, I'm gonna leave you in there.
No,
I'm gonna leave you in the court maze.
no.
What's up, peoples?
Hey y'all.
We saw her pull up. Well, there she is.
No. No, I doubted it.
These have airbags. Mommy, look. These literally say airbag.
Everybody wave. Wave, Jordan. Say hey. Got y'all on camera. I think your legs are too long, Amon.
That's all right. I have mapped out my course. Town with white corn. You'll be taking a left into the hay maze.
Look at Amon. That's hilarious. I don't know if I'm supposed to be out here, but I'm going to. Go, Ma! Daddy's catching you! Go, Mike, get him! Go, Jordan! Get her, Jordan! Go! Look at old, like, little small bite. Bye, CJ.
I can barely reach mine.
Well, you should have scooted it in.
It doesn't go any closer than that.
Oh, poor baby.
CJ, you should roll with me. Who got first?
Jump, Bo. Lasso some deer.
I'm not going to slide this now. Come on.
Where are we going?
We're going to
Yeah.
Put in her face for it. Jordyn.
Careful, not her face.
A corn pile!
Yeah. Hey. Yep. Uh-huh.
I did it! My turn.
3 pumpkins apiece, yeah.
Oh, 3 pumpkins.
Uh-huh.
Look at this, Mommy.
Let me see those pumpkins. You got prickly pumpkins.
We got real ones. But they're real. See inside mine. This one looks like a chicken. For Thanksgiving. No, wait.
Wait.
You gotta get in line. I'm not my brother. You gotta get in line.
Come on. Oh, you ready to let go?
There you go.
1, 2, 3.
Let go.
There you go.
Let go. Again and pull back.
Yeah, I can do it all.
Okay, all right.
All right, show them, Daddy. Show 'em how to do it.
Push it, pull it, let it go. Let go. Oh.
Yeah, there you go. Good job.
Hold on, let's try this. Hold on, we're gonna pull it. Last one, ready?
You hold on to it. It's gonna take you with it.
20 pounds on the way.
Right. It's the money shot.
Get out.
Good job. It's your turn now. Let's go this way.
Ain't going nowhere.
CJ, watch out. Back up. Go. Y'all can go climb on the little on the haystack.
Run the fire. I wish y'all run like that around the base.
Right. Move. Jump, Xavier, jump.
Papa.
Whoa.
Daddy, what?
Are you gonna catch her? That was scary, but it was fun.
Hi, I have to. Don't tell mommy that we're in here.
All right.
Old McDonald's Farm. So we're going on the house.
They do need to have
Jordyn, your cow's name is Daisy.
I know.
What's your cow's name?
Here you have it.
Mine's named Maya.
CJ, your cow's name is Josie. Yep. Can you carry that all the way to the car?
No.
You might need to get some smaller if you can't carry that.
I want this. I can hold it. See? I don't think so. It's hurt so bad. You gotta put yours on the ground.
Xahara, you are determined, baby. And we're out of here, people. Can you get my phone for me?
It's free. I was too young